Let's see how many papers it takes to hold each item. Wine. Only wine. Wine. One again. Wine. No.
Two.
Two. There we go. Wine. No.
Two.
Two. Still no.
Four.
Four. Pretty close.
Eight.
Eight. No, really.
16.
16. There we go. One. Oh.
Two.
Bro, this looks heavy.
Four.
Four. No.
Eight.
Eight. Still no.
16.
16. No.
30.
30. No.
60.
60. Still no.
120.
120. No.
256.
256. No.
512.
500. Still no.
1,280.
1,200. No.
2,560.
2,500. No way.
5,120.
5,000. No.
10,240.
10,000. There we go, bro.